How's it going, everyone? I am back and I got my counterpart. This is Scarlett, and we got something really cool in the mail. This is a City Cafe building block set. Comes from this company, and they sent this to us to open it up, put this together, check it out, and review it for all of you. So we're gonna open this up and take a look. This is the City Cafe block module. For ages 6 and above, 1,443 pieces. It looks really cool. It's got all kinds of stuff, bicycles and all kinds of stuff. So let's open this up and take a look. All right, on the top we got the
little
manual for putting this together, and everything
organized.
Yeah, everything is individually wrapped for all of the pieces, so that's really cool. There's a bunch in there. Why don't you go ahead and pull that out? The manual's really legible, looks really easy to read. And yeah, the steps look pretty basic, so this should be pretty fun. This thing actually has lights too, so one of the blocks has a little switch, and it's got batteries pre-installed and some little string lights, so this is gonna light up also. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and put this thing together, get a little bit of video while we do it. We'll try to show each step, and then at the end, we'll get some good footage of what it looks like and see how fun it is to play with.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, we have all of the first layer done with all of the bag ones. What do you think?
It's awesome.
Awesome, huh? You can even play little dolls in this thing if you want to. It's really cool. There's a bunch of detail. There's menu and the cash register and all kinds of drinks and sodas and lamps and TVs and entertainment systems. It's really, really cool. All right, Scar, so where are we at now?
We're on level 1. We did all the number 1 bags, and we're on page 29, and we need to get all the bags too out. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get all the number 2 bags out for level 2. This one's much easier because there's 7 bags for the second level. Okay guys, we got everything laid out, so I think level 2 will be much easier than the first half. Okay, you just start at page 29 and you just start bag number 2.
All right, now once you have the second level done and you are at page 47, you're ready to go ahead and get all of the bags labeled number 3. And you can take it individually out of the bag, but we found that it is much easier to go ahead and kind of take everything and organize it and lay it out so you can see everything. It'll help you move along a little bit quicker is what we found.
All right, we're gonna put level 2 on level 1.
Yep, just line that up, push that all the way forward, and then push down on the sides, and then you push on the front up here, right here. And that's it. Looks pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Let's spin that thing around and check it out. It's looking pretty nice. Okay. And we got some of the level 3 done here. So now you're gonna go ahead and continue working on level 3 so we can put this all together.
Really cool.
And that is the complete City Cafe. What do you think about it?
It is awesome.
It's pretty cool, right? What do you think about putting it together? Pretty easy, or?
Yeah.
All right, Scar, so what do you think?
It's really cool. I would definitely recommend this to anybody.
Yeah, what do you think about fun to play with?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks really cool too. Definitely like the looks of it. I like that it has lights also. All right, well that is the City Cafe. Definitely check this one out if you are interested in building block sets. It's a really cool one. 2 thumbs up, huh?